Classification of nerve fibers. Basis of classification. Nerve fibers are classified by 6 different methods to classify nerve fibers. So there are total 6 methods to classify the nerve fibers, depending upon structure, depending upon distribution, depending upon origin, depending upon function, depending upon secretion of neurotransmitter, depending upon diameter and conduction of impulse. A longer Gesser classification. Depending upon structure. Based on structure, nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. Myelinated nerve fibers. Myelinated nerve fibers are the nerve fibers that are covered by myelin sheath. Non-myelinated nerve fibers. Non-myelinated nerve fibers are the nerve fibers which are not covered by nerve myelin sheath. Depending upon distribution, nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. On the basis of distribution, somatic nerve fibers. Somatic nerve fibers supply the structural muscles of the body. Muscular or autonomic nerve fibers. Autonomic nerve fibers supply the various internal organs of the body. Depending upon origin, on the basis of origin, nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. That is, cranial nerve fibers. Nerve fibers arising from brain are called cranial nerve fibers, and spinal nerve fibers. Nerve fibers arising from spinal cord are called spinal nerve fibers. Depending upon function, functionally, nerve fibers are classified into 2 types. Sensory nerve fibers. Sensory nerve fibers carry sensory impulses from different parts of the body to the cranial nervous system. These nerve fibers are also known as afferent nerve fibers and motor nerve fibers. Motor nerve fibers carry motor impulses from central nervous system to different parts of the body. These nerve fibers are also called afferent nerve fibers. Depending upon secretion of neurotransmitter. Depending upon the neurotransmitter substance secreted, nerve fibers are divided into 2 types. Adrenergic nerve fibers. Adrenergic nerve fibers secrete noradrenaline. Cholinergic nerve fibers. Cholinergic nerve fibers secrete acetylcholine. Depending upon diameter and conduction of impulse. A Langer Gesser classification. A Langer and Gesser classification the nerve fibers into 3 major types on the basis of diameter, thickness of the fibers, and velocity of conduction of impulses. Type A nerve fibers, type B nerve fibers, and type C nerve fibers.